Congratulations! You already mastered a large number of steps. I am really proud of you. And in order to not overwhelm you completely, I want to go a bit more into detail on some technical issues. So in the next 3 videos, we're going to talk a bit about how to really use your legs, how to use your arms, and what your posture should be like to get really nice movements and be stable in heels in salsa. We start with the legs. Now, obviously, you're probably wearing heels, which leads to a sort of natural bending of the knees, right? I mean, you don't want to stand back, you don't want to stand front, so usually we bend our knees a little bit. And that is okay. But whenever you are walking or really not having weight on your leg or being very stable, try to stretch them anyways. I know it's more difficult, and especially in partner dancing, you often have to go down because men are using a lot of force and they're kind of pushing you off balance. And the only way of coping with this is going lower on your point. But whenever you can, try to keep that going up still. So try to really stretch your legs. I can show you the difference looking from the side, right? When you're moving too much down, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, which is still okay because we will have the body movement. But now take another look at it when it's really up. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's another style. So both of it works, but the upper one is a bit nicer, it's more elegant, it's more there. So try to keep your legs straight whenever you can. Next thing, we want to try to have our legs at least as much as possible in line. We don't want to cross over and we don't want to walk like some farmer or something, right? But try to do your basic step, especially in all the crossings, especially when you're dancing online, in a real line and not somewhere else. Have a look. When I have my legs in my natural position, which would be about hip size, I'm like this, and the basic step would look like 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Not too nice. A bit better is to have the feet close wherever you can. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's a bit better. Now what we want to try is to keep them in line as good as possible, and you don't often have to close in the middle. You can also do a slight step there. Then it looks like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's the ideal what it should kind of look like.